Now I am going to explain you about randomized block design problem, RBD. In an agricultural field experimentation, 3 fertilizers are applied in 4 randomized blocks and the yield of wheat in kilos are given below. Here 4 blocks are there. The 4 blocks are A, B, and C. Here 4 blocks are there, 3 treatments are there. 3 treatments are A, B and C. So 4 blocks are there. Analyze the data using RBT and state the conclusions. If the data is given in blocks, we have to perform randomized block design. So first of all, we have to set null hypothesis. So here it is similar to two-way analysis, two-way classification. Here two-way treatments are there, blocks are there. Instead of varieties, we have blocks. So HT is equal to mu1 dot, mu2 dot and mu3 dot. We got 3 treatments are there, A, B and C. That is fertilizers effects are same. HB equal to mu dot 1 equal to mu dot 2 equal to mu dot 3 equal to mu dot 4. 4 blocks are there. B1 equal to B2 equal to B3 equal to B4 equal to 0. That is blocks effects are same. After that we have to calculate the table. So here fertilizers treatments are there. Here 4 blocks are there, 1 2 3 4. So here this problem is similar to two-way classification. If you are perfect with two-way classification, you can easily do RBT. So here we have to find out Ti dot. Ti dot is total of rows and T dot J is total of columns, that is total of blocks and total of treatments. So here we have to find out Ti dot square, that means 330 whole square is 900. Similarly each and every observation we have to calculate. Then here we have to calculate totals of columns. We have to calculate, that is T dot J square, that is 30 whole square, 26 whole square and similarly. So this 108, this value is known as, this value is our grand total value. So here n equal to how many rows and how many columns are there? 3 into 4 equal to 12. K equal to treatments. We are assuming how many treatments are there? 3 treatments are there. H equal to blocks. How many blocks are there? 4 blocks are there. So G equal to grand total. Just now I told this grand total is G equal to 108. Summation Ti square, this total is 3950. Summation T dot J square is, this total is 2930. So we have to calculate correction factor G square by N. We got this value. Then afterwards we have to calculate raw sum of squares. We have a formula. Raw sum of square is equal to each and every observation. That means 8 square plus 8 square plus 6 square plus 8 square and so on. 10 square plus 8 square plus and so on up to 9 square. Plus and squaring and adding all the observations, you will get raw sum of squares total. After that, calculate total sum of squares TSS, that is equal to RSS minus correction factor with n minus 1 degrees of freedom. So we got this value. After that, calculate sum of squares due to treatments SST. SST is equal to, this is the formula with k minus 1 degrees of freedom. So SST is equal to 15.5 with 2 degrees of freedom. Sum of squares due to blocks we have to calculate. This is the formula, h minus 1 degrees of freedom. This is the value we got. How many blocks are there? 4 blocks are there. That 4 minus 1, it is 3 degrees of freedom. Sum of squares due to error we have to find out. That is SSE. SSC equal to TSS minus SST minus SSB. That means total sum of squares minus sum of squares due to treatments minus sum of squares due to blocks with k minus 1 into h minus 1 degrees of freedom. SSC is equal to 5.8 with 6 degrees of freedom. So here again we have to plot ANOVA table like this. ANOVA table, instead in CRD we have only one treatment. Here it is RBD, randomized block design. So here we have blocks, treatments and blocks. In sources of variation we have treatment, blocks and error. Sum of squares, just now we have calculated total treatment sum of squares, sum of square due to blocks, sum of square due to error and total sum of squares. So this is a degrees of freedom, k minus 1, h minus 1, h minus 1 into k minus 1. This is n minus 1. Mean sum of squares can be calculated as sum of squares due to treatment divided by with respect to degrees of freedom will get 7.6. Sum of squares due to blocks divided by with respect to degrees of freedom will get 1.56. Similarly to the error. Then here we have for F ratio for treatments, F ratio for blocks. For treatments we are calculating as 7.6 sum of square mean sum of squares due to treatments divided by mean sum of squares due to error. Then we will get 7.8. This is calculated value of treatments. Now for similarly for blocks also we have to calculate 1.56 for blocks divided by with respect to degrees of freedom. Then we got this value 1.61. Follows F table value 3.3, 6. After calculating calculated value, we have to compare and write the conclusions for treatments as well as for blocks. For treatments, ft value just now we have calculated in ANOVA table 7.84. Table value here in question, in table value 5 level of significance is not given, so we are taking 5% level of significance at degrees of freedom 2,6. That value, table value is, this value is taken from table, that value is known as 5.14. so ft calculated is equal to 7.83 greater than f tab is equal to 1. For calculated value is greater than table value, so we are rejecting h not t. So there is a significant difference between the fertilizers. For blocks also similarly we have to do. For blocks, FB equal to 1.61. So this is calculated value, this is table value. Here calculated value is less than table value. We may accept H naught at 5% level of significance. So that is, there is no significant difference between blocks effect or blocks are homogeneous. So here treatments are rejected, blocks are accepted.